It's time for a little spring cleaning. What is it about winter that puts us in the mood to become Mr. Clean come spring? Scientists aren't sure, but society will judge you if you don't participate. So let's tackle that closet of yours, huh?
Excuse me, who are you?
This is a messy closet. Guess it really is a yearly task for you, huh?
How did you get into my house?
We should get cracking right away. Let's see what Meg has in this closet that we can toss right now.
Ooh, if you were wondering where the line was between distressed and trash,
This is it. Ah, are all of these painting clothes?
Yeah,
Really? All of them. How often are you painting, huh?
a lot.
Really? Do you fancy yourself a painter? Let's not kid ourselves.
ooh, this is sort of cute.
Yeah.
Oh, but the zipper's broken.
I was gonna take that to a tailor, actually.
No, you weren't.
No, I wasn't.
What's it? Lightning round?
Yes! Nice white tee, yes. Pizza-stained concert tee, no.
Cute.
LBD, yes.
And your cousin's prom dress.
No.
Adorable.
Oh my god, Meg, real talk, at this rate it's gonna take forever, so let's just get to the good part.
Wow, thanks. It does look great in here, but half of my clothes are gone and I don't really have time to get a new wardrobe.
Oh, girl, you know I got you. I signed you up for Gwynnie. With a monthly subscription, your clothes merely vacation in your closet, giving you more room and bonus, less laundry. You can't screw up your gorgeous new closet if you're not making regretful impulse buys.
Wow, what else can you do?
Bubble tea.
Whoa, okay. Cheers. Seriously, how'd you get in here?